This is Gizmo's territory, sweetie. I came over here to feed Gizmo. It's not your territory, sweetie. Not your territory. It's not your territory, sweetie. I'm in Gizmo's territory, sweetie. You can't come over here. Not and boss Gizmo around. Come here, Gizzy. Come on, Gizmo. I know. I'm gonna go back over there where Miss Peep is so she doesn't come over here and bother you. Okay, sweetie? Here you go. One more? Alright, we'll see you, Gizmo. One more? Here you go. You want more? Nope, that's it. Alright, we'll see you, baby.